Hey, what's up, everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. I have an 18 GT today with an Edelbrock supercharger. So this car had been in before to get the supercharger installed. We did some long tube headers, and a few other mods I want to tell you about. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. And stick around, we're going to watch a dyno pull. Let's go check it out. All right, so here's what we have going. 18 GT, automatic, 93 octane. Doug, you don't mind, come down, take a look. The Edelbrock 2650 supercharger. This is the stage 1 kit. So look at that factory airbox. This is a 50 state kit, as they would call it, running the factory throttle body. But this client was looking for a little bit more power than this has to offer. So we installed a set of Stainless Works long tube headers, free-flowing exhaust. We did a Lund tune. We had to upgrade to some LU 47-pound injectors because this kit does not come with upgraded injectors, but we're still running the factory fuel pump. So just looking for a little bit more power than the 50 state kit offers. So stick around, watch this dyno pull, let's see what it makes. All right, so again, I said automatic, 93 octane. Doug, over here, DynoJet SAE, 617 raw horsepower, coming in at 7,500 RPM. We're gonna talk about that. Torque came in at 531 at 5,000 RPM. So what I want to tell you was, keep in mind, this is the stage 1 kit, running the factory airbox. So when you have an Edelbrock and you want more power than what we're looking at right here, you need to open up the induction. That's the next step. So a big cold air intake, big throttle body. But for, hey, a stage 1 kit from Edelbrock, like the 50 state kit with a tune, larger injectors, that came out really, really good. I would like to come over here, take one more look at the car, because Doug, right here, this is an Anderson Composites hood. So I don't know if a lot of you out there like aftermarket hoods, but I've seen a lot of cars come in with these. I think it's really, really cool and really makes the car look different than a lot of the other ones on the street. So one, leave a comment, have any questions, happy to answer, check that description. I'll put links to everything we just talked about right here. You can read more about it. This does have a cooler thermostat, but doesn't have the cooling mods. So another good idea to do would be the Adler radiator to keep this nice and cool. How do you get an install here at Brenspeed? Email quote@brenspeed.com and give you a price. Thanks for watching.